students. So you had your accountancy board paper yesterday. I hope it went well. Well, I am here to present the analysis of the Delhi Set 2 accountancy board paper. Overall, the paper was not much difficult. Yet, there were some mind-twisting questions. Like the one from dissolution, which was entirely based on the journal entries related to realization expenses. Secondly, there were two short questions from cash flow statement. One which asked the net effect of net decrease in working capital on cash flow from operating activities. And the answer was decrease in cash flow from operating activities. Secondly, again there was a short question from cash flow statement which asked the classification of payment and receipt of interest and dividend. And the answer was operating. Many students got confused and wrote it as investing and financing. If you talk about the difficulty level of the paper, then out of total 23 questions, 9 were easy, 10 were average and 4 were difficult. Talking about the marking wise, overall 26% of the paper was easy and direct. More than 50% of the paper was average and around 22% of the paper was difficult. If we compare the paper with that of last year, then there were not much changes in the paper pattern, except few, like the full-fledged questions from the chapter Admission and Retirement were this time based on journal entries particularly, rather than the drafting of accounts. Secondly, this time there was no practical question from common size and comparative income statements. Rather, there was a straight 4-mark theory question from this chapter. If you talk about the time constraint, of course, the paper was very lengthy. The students must have had a tough time in writing the complete paper. So you are left with your last exam, economics. I hope you do it well.